So gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we got the 150, the 125 two-stroke, Big Mac Moto, the homie Jesse, and my 450 right here, and we are about to shred that two-stroke smoking, bro. How's this one? Oh boy, we got the YZ. Alright, it's time to get some gas real quick before we head off and shred.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, put the card in, grab some gas real quick. Y'all know the freaking vibe. Fill that bad boy up, bro. So yeah, we're just filling the bikes up right now. Then we're gonna shred, hit a little bit of streets, some trails. When you filled the bike up, you left it on? When you filled it on, you left it on? It'll blow up. Let's go. We're done with the gas station, boys. Dude, it's so weird just seeing my YZ like someone else ripping it. Even my 150, like it's been so long since someone else has ripped it. Alright, so I got my street tires on right now, and they're like hybrid street tires, so oh my god, it's slippery. I really want to see how these things will handle and like if they'll actually catch grip, bro. So far it's really not that bad. Oh my god, these are like real mudding trails, bro. Oh my god, Dad! Oh, what happened to Jesse?
Holy shit, boys! Look at that!
I was about to say this is some sandy shit right here, bro.
Not this bad.
Let's see how Jesse handled, bro. This is his first time out here. I put him on the 150. Yeah. The more it stalls out, the harder it gets to start.
Fingers on the clutch.
There goes that two-stroke. Woo, bro. This is so. I'm on street tires, bro.
Big Mac Moto almost picked it up. Let's go.
Oh, we're blocked, bro. We're stuck. We're just following Big Mac Moto. We're literally lost out here in this freaking nature area. Where the hell is Big Mac Moto taking us, bro? He said, oh, I know a cool ass location over here. And yeah, it just looks like goddamn trail forest madness going on right now. Jesse got over the tree stump, let's go. Bro, where are we? Hey, nice.
It was gonna clear out. How'd you get over that?
You got over it, yeah. Alright, watch out for that bump up there, Jesse. Is the gate closed? Oh, it's...
I know where we are now. There's a little thing that we can get over.
Over here?
I think so.
Alright. Oh, he's gonna eat. He's gonna eat. No way!
What is happening?
That was savage right there. Alright. I'm gonna try to follow. Ah! was so muddy right there, dude. Dude, Jesse was savage right there. He went through that thing like nothing. Bro, look how good I'm going through this off-road. It's crazy, bro. Bro, let me call Jesse.
Dude, this is...
Oh boy. Hey, let's turn around. Oh my god, dude, the condition. You just gotta keep going, bro. Just don't stop that throttle hit. Dude, I'm on street tires right now and like it's handling pretty damn good. It's sort of nutty. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little nutty. Ah! You go that far, bro?
Bro, I thought you guys were behind me.
Nah, where are you at right now? So we got a little situation right now. Jesse went down this muddy ass path for like 10-15 minutes, didn't look back at all, and like we stopped probably maybe a quarter of the way through just because the 125 had no grip, low on gas.
Low on gas, yeah, she's a little
rough right now, right?
But, no, it's alright. I mean, a little throttle tube, a little clutch.
No, but in the mud, bro, in the mud.
Well, that's the thing, is that it's that Florida mud, so it's a little bit thick, so it's a little bit hard to get through that shit. With some new tires, she'd be ripping through that shit.
So yeah, right now Jesse's lost. His GoPro is definitely dead by now, so he's on a muddy ass trail that you've seen earlier in this footy, and it's getting dark, bro. So we're wishing the best for Jesse. Yeah, maybe next time he'll look behind him to make sure his riders are still there, but we'll see what happens.
It'll be all right.
It'll be good. Freaking Jesse. Oh my god. I got it. Alright, let's head back. Yeah, we're heading back. So gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As y'all can see, we got the 150 right here. It's looking muddy as hell. And as y'all can see, the YZ2 125 is looking muddy as hell. All the bikes, even mine, bro, even my bike, all these bikes are muddy as hell. I don't know what the hell Jesse's doing right now. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay motivated with merch in the description down below. I love you gang, till next time, peace.